Today I want to do Friday market analysis for 8 May. So yesterday was a good day, so we received a good moves yesterday that were not violent, or that were not that way following our analysis. So today we are going to see what is going to happen, but we have some news that are going to affect the market the most, so we need to look on that. So in the morning we have JPY and also Euro. We have GBP, we have Euro again, we have Swiss franc, we have at 9 a.m. This is where the news are going to start. The news which are going to affect the market the most. So we have England Commercial Bank President large speak. So we also have USD FOMC member Cook speaks, and at 2:20 we have Bank of England. At 2:30 we have Canadian employment change, Canadian employment rate, USD average hourly earnings, USD NF employment change, and USD employment rate. So we have so many things that is going to affect the USD, GBP, and Euro today. What is the other currency? Well, only these ones, only these three. So we need to see what is going on the market. So let's go to the markets. So let's start with Euro USD. So Euro USD, yesterday we said we need a down movement, and during the night I think we received the downward movement from where I am. So during the night I think we received the downward movement. So on Asia session, I think we are going to have, because this was my analysis, and I already told you that yesterday the market was following the analysis we did. So during the night, this is when the market gives us a pullback to the downward. So this pullback to the downwards is okay, but we need to see a consolidation on this point that is going to show us this is the right time to enter the market, because it is a pullback that is allowing us, some traders who didn't react when the market was here. So now we want to enter the markets on a safe zone. And also, if you can see that the markets have on a daily time frame have the potential to move to the upside on this day. So we are looking for that, but we need a consolidation on this point. So during Asia session, we'll see what is going to happen, but this is the area we want to take our buy from. So we are going to look on that during the day, and our stop loss at this line. So this was our move we said we want, and now it's okay. We are going to take that one. But if the market wants to move to the downside, we'll take this one. But this one I don't like. This one I don't like it. I don't like it, so I'm going to only consider buying on Euro USD. So Euro USD buy consolidation, so I need consolidation. And then I'll go to USD card. USD card, I'm not even looking for a trade on this one. I'm not looking for a trade because of the charts. I said the structure of the charts are very bad, so I'm not going to look for a trade on this one. And then we'll go to USD CHF. So USD CHF, no, again, I'm not consider any move because we need to see the narrative, the structure, and also we need to see where the liquidity is. So we are not going to consider that. Right now we are on NZD USD. So on NZD USD, what we have right now is a pullback. This pullback is going to give us the move that we said we want. We said we need a move to the upside that is going to give us a reversal to the downside. So I think the market is now reversing into this zone, or it is going to move a little bit up and then collect liquidity on the top side, and then it will move to the downside to break the structure to the downside, and then it will give us a pullback again, and it will continue moving to the downside, or it is going to consolidate at this area, trying to create an upward movement. But when New York time came, the market is going to move to the downside because USD is going to be affected, Euro is going to be affected, and also Canadian dollar is going to be affected. But we'll see what is going to happen. Yes, I have a trade on New Zealand dollar and USD. This one, this pay, I have a trade that I have opened on this pullback. So I am trusting this movement. So I will see what is going to happen during the day, and this is only my analysis that I can say it is going to happen, and no, I'm not even afraid if the market will move up, but the market is likely to come down from this area to the downside. And then we'll go to AUD USD. AUD USD, the charts are not even giving me what I want. So if the charts are not giving me what I want, I will not consider any buy or any sell. So I will just leave the markets just like that, and I will look for a trade when I see my structure or my confirmation. So right now we are on GBP USD. GBP USD have a bad structure, so I can say I will look for a trade on this one. I can say I will look for a trade, but the structure is good on daily time frame. The structure is good on daily time frame, but on 4 hour is very bad. So we'll see during the day what is going to happen, but we said we need a move to the upside, not to the downside like this. Maybe it's because it is retesting to these supply zones. That's why the market is moving back to the zone, and also that's why it is producing these movements to the downside. But if you see on the bigger picture, the market is not selling, or the market is not ready for sale. So we will see what is going to happen during the day. And also, I'm not considering a buy on GBP USD. I'm only considering a buy on Euro USD only. And Euro USD is the one which is giving me a good confirmation, not GBP USD. We go to NZD card. NZD card finished the move to the upside. I told you that the market is going to move to the upside from this zone to the upside. Then maybe it is the end of the move, so we'll see what is going to happen after that. And now we are only, what we need to do now, what we need to do, we need to just wait for the market so that it will tell us how to react to what is shown. So now we are on AUD card. The structure is bad, and also BTC USD, no, again. And then we'll go on gold. Shit, the market, the chart is very it's not clean. So we want to see what is going to happen during the day, but we need a movement to the upside on this one so that we confirm our move. We need a move to the upside. We need a move to the upside. Did the market collected all the liquidity above? I think it did. Oh shit. Yeah. I think it did. So right now, what we want to do, or what we want to look for, is a move to this fair value gap. We need a move to this fair value gap that is going, or just a 10 for a pullback, and then we'll enter the markets targeting the downside. But we need to be wise on this one. But also we are going to be very careful about how we are going to react. But what we are going to react is that when the market moves to the upside like this, we want double confirmation before we enter the trade. So this is when we wait for another move to the upside, and then we'll look for another. This is going to be our entry level, this one, and we'll take the market from this level to the downside. Yes, this is it for for gold. Now we are looking for a trade on that zone. So we'll go to USD JPY. USD JPY, the structure, I can say I can analyze it right now, but it needs some time. And then Euro AUD. Euro AUD is giving us some signs that it is gaining some momentum to the upper side, but no, we are no longer interested in this pairs. Euro AUD, GBP AUD, no. And then we'll go to CAD CHF. CAD CHF did give us our movement to the downside from this level to this level. So right now, maybe we are going to look for a move to the upper side, and then we'll take the market from, let me delete this one and use this two, from this zone to that is going to continue this move. So we are going to look maybe for a move to the upside like this. Maybe it's going to reach this high. We'll look for a trade on this low, on this zone, taking it to the downside. So this is it for CAD CHF. We go to GBP NZD, and we have a trade on Tuesday that was very profitable, and it did give us some profits, and the trade was a straight move to our take profit, so it was moving fast. Right now I don't know what is the market is doing, so I'll just wait for it to give another confirmation that we are going to use to find another trade on GBP NZD. And then Euro NZD, we are also doing that. We'll look for confirmation again to take the market from where it wants us to trade. So we'll see if it is going to give us an opportunity to the downside or an opportunity to the upside. We will analyze the markets tomorrow, our weekly market recap, so that we will know what is going to happen on Monday, weekly market opening. And then we'll go to GBP CAD. GBP CAD, we received our movement to the upside that we need so that we can take the markets to the downside. And right now we need a pullback to the upside again, so that we will take the markets to the downside. Right now we need a pullback. We need a pullback to the upper side, so that we will take the markets from there. But from what I have analyzed, this is the type of structure that I want. So yeah, this is it for the market analysis for Friday. But mostly today the movements are not going to be satisfying. It is going to give us some movements which are going to be very bad, but with high volatility. So need to look if the market have followed our analysis. If it did follow our analysis, we'll enter the trade with lower lot sizes, so that if the market moves to this direction that we don't want, we'll be able to manage the losses. So yeah, this is it for the video for Friday market analysis.